And hello there, Ganda fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is something that has been, part of I should have bought before. We have here the HG 1/144 RX-78-2 Gundam Beyond Global. Yes, so I was holding on to buying this, but since I had an opportunity to go to the Gundam base Thailand. Yes, and I really had to buy it since it was available there. Although, yes, there are multiple of other HGs and other kits, that is only Gundam Base Limited. I had the option to buy them, but yeah, I just chose this one because, luggage constraints. I was just there for a quick visit due to some work stuff. So as you can see in the box art, it is the RX-78-2, the granddad of the Gundam, outside in space, equipped with his gun and shield. And off to the side, here it is, RG, or sorry, not RG, I mean HG, RX-78-2, Beyond Global. They have, more articulated parts that they said, front and back, more articulation. That's what they are selling on this one, that it is a very good kit with very good articulations. And here it is. The lower pit, experience the beautiful forms of the articulation that this kit possesses. Yep. And yes, some Thai language. And this, the Ganda base 1000 Thailand back. And let's see what's inside the box. We have one bag with a sticker, all white, multicolored, and all gray. One more bag with the saber effects, all white, all gray, and red. Last bag contains gray and most white. And of course, we have the instruction manual here. That is RX-78-2 HG Beyond Global. And I think, as you can see here, that they are really they are really talking about the articulation that has been improved. So, over the bill, they will show it here. Yeah, here it is, the articulation. And of course, here it is, the history of when Gundam was started. So it started, yep, 1980s with this kit, 1990s with an HG, the Granddaddy 1999 HGUC, 2010 wherein we had the RG of RX-78-2, 2015 wherein is the revived version, and 2020, 6 years back, which is this Beyond Global. And then yes, lately we just have the RX-78-2 version 2.0 in RG form. Right, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first up we have is the A sprue. It's a multicolor sprue. We have the blues, the white, and the yellow of the main Gundam body. We have the B1 continuing with the all white. Again for the B2, the all white of that. We have the C1, which is the gray. We see the armor, I mean the inner framing. We just not have one D1, but we have two D1s. We have E1, which is the red part, and F1, which is all gray, and of course we have the F2, which is all gray again, and we have the saber effect parts here, and of course just one sticker sheet here. There you go, please focus. Yeah, there you go, just one sticker sheet, despite being an FG, so it means it has very good color separation. And there you have it again, the fans and folks. That was what's inside the HG 1/144 RX-78-2 Gundam HG Beyond Global, which was just released 6 years ago, 2020. Although, yeah, most of us really do not like that here, but hey, this is the year that it came out. showing that even though it's an HG, they can have a great engineering and boast the articulations that it has, which is almost the same as an RG, but not really in par with it. So they did release a RG one number 144. Then based on that, they improved the HG design, and now because of those two, we have the RX 78-2 RG one number 144 version 3.0. All right, and there you have it. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing the video. And until next time, see you and thank you.